So during 135th episode of our Man Ki Baat, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi spoke about two important social security schemes, and one of them was Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana. So he mentioned that under this scheme, nearly 27 crore people have already joined, and around 11 lakh families have been given assistance. So today, let me explain this scheme in simple. Remember these figures so that we can use in our mains examinations. Okay, when did it launch? 9th May 2015. The launch date was asked in SSC exam, I think in 2022. And what type of a scheme it is? Central sector scheme. And Ministry of Finance. What is the implementing agency? LIC and other eligible life insurance companies. Remember one point, the enrollment is done through banks and post offices, and it is a pure term life insurance scheme. That means if the insured person dies, then the nominee gets a 2 lakh rupees. What if that insured person remains alive until the policy ends? Then no money is paid, he receives nothing. That is pure term insurance scheme. That means no maturity benefit, no investment. What is the premium rate? 436 rupees per annum. That means a 1.5 rupee per day, and it is auto debited. What is the eligibility criteria? You need to be 18 to 50 years of age, and life cover up to 55 years. This scheme is open to every eligible person, irrespective of whether they are a poor or a rich, and even NRIs also. But the claim amount is paid in only rupees. That is called universal access. What is the coverage? 2 lakh rupees, renewable year to year. But remember one point, this scheme covers death from any reason. What is the coverage period? 1st June to 31st May. It's like a mobile recharge. Policy starts on 1st June and remains active until 31st May. So to continue the protection, you need to renew it for the next year. And you may ask one question, what if I don't join on 1st June? Then pro rata premium comes in. That means you need to pay for the remaining months. For example, like you don't need to pay 436 rupees. If you join in October, then you need to pay 342 rupees. And if you join in a January, then you need to pay 228 rupees. That means you pay a lower premium. And under this scheme, there is a waiting period also. That means for the first 30 days, natural deaths will not cover. That means no claim will be given, and accidental deaths are covered from day one. So claim will be provided for accidental deaths. Why? Because accidental deaths are not pre-planned, right? Why is this clause included? To prevent fraud and buying insurance only after becoming seriously ill. And one more thing, you might have one doubt. Why 30-year-old and 50-year-old pay the same premium? That is 436 rupees. Because generally in a private insurance policy, old people have a high risk of a death. That's why insurers charge them a higher premium. But this scheme is a government-backed social security scheme, and moreover, it is not a profit-oriented, and it is based on a risk pooling principle. That's why everyone pays the same premium. So that's all about the scheme. And lastly, one more thing, if possible, inform the people around you about this scheme, especially those who may need financial protection. Because paying 436 rupees is a small amount, right? So thank you.